Hi, I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert photographer in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. And today, is Instagram worth it? No? Yes? Maybe? Well, anyway, I got a whole bunch of notes. I'm going to give you 3 reasons for each, and then I'll give you my final conclusion at the end of the video. So please stay on the video and watch till the end to find out. Instagram can be a very powerful tool if you're using it correctly. If not, it can be a big problem and a waste of time. So what you need to do is figure out what you want from the platform and how to get the most out of it. I'm going to start off with a no first. Unless you're using Instagram to promote yourself in your work, Instagram is not going to be very effective. If you're having it and using it for fun, enjoying it with family, friends, and other people like that, and that's all you want from it, that's fine and dandy, just great. But if you're using it to get access to shows for media passes, talk to management of artists, talk to venues and people like that, it can be, if it's a mess, it's a mess and it shows. For the most part, the number of followers and the number of likes you have means absolutely nothing. If you're not getting the right followers and the right likes and that kind of thing, it's worthless. You can have all the porno queens, you can have all the Bitcoin scam artists, you can get all the people that want to take you to somewhere in Africa with your long lost uncle that died and you didn't know. You can have all those people you want, and they will find you. So you want to make sure that you're attracting the right proper people and that you're pointing your the people you want to see your Instagram to your Instagram. If you're pointing your Instagram, not networking or pointing your Instagram to the right people, no, Instagram is not worth it at all. It's time consuming, it's a headache, it gets sloppy, it gets messy, and it gets embarrassing, and you're not going to get any effects from what you're doing other than negative effects. So you want to make sure that you're using it to your advantage. Now I'm going to cover the yes part of it. It gives you a place to show off your best work. And what I mean is to show off your best work. A lot of people will have 5,000 posts in their Instagram. Some of it will be the picnic at Aunt Sally's last year, or it'll be their new car, and then sprinkled in there you may have some photos of an artist that you shot 2 weeks before. If you're going to do this, you need to be able to send the right people to the right place. It's a great place for networking and to show off your work, to show off what you're capable of doing. Keep your contacts and keep your latest work up to date. If you've got stuff in there that is, well, I admit it, I got stuff in there that's 45 years old. Yes, I've been around a long time, but I've shot people like Queen, Bad Company, Fleetwood Mac in the past, Van Halen, and today I've shot Jason Boland and the Stragglers. I've shot Randy Rogers. I've shot a lot of people in Texas music. So it's all right to have a little bit of old stuff as long as it's relevant. But you need to keep your work up to date, so when the people that you want to see your work, when they go into your Instagram, they're there, they look at it. Now granted, they'll probably be in there maybe 20 seconds to a minute, maybe a minute and a half, if that long. So when they scroll through it, you want it to be your best stuff right on the top so people can see it. And you want it to be clean and workable. It also needs to be there because it's a simple place to use the format. You can go in, see your stuff, and it's quick, easy to use, and everybody's got it. The artists have it, the venues have it, the management has it, other photographers have it. Anybody that you want to communicate does have has Instagram on their phone. Then you got to think the maybe. Like anything else, you have to put effort into your work. So if you're lazy with your Instagram and you don't take care of it, you're going to show somebody a dumpster, and that dumpster could be on fire. If you're using it just for yourself, for fun, and to have a good time, and you like that, well, okay. But anybody that you're sitting there professionally may look at it and go, I really don't want to deal with this person because what they have out there looks like they're having a bounce house party. For business, it's a different story. You have to keep your Instagram professional looking. You have to have everything nice and tidy. Okay, so here's a look-see at my Instagram page, and for the most part it's pretty clean and up to date. I've also got in the profile information that matters. I've got enough information that I can tell people who I am, where I am, and what I do. If just by looking at my profile, it's got a picture, even though it's old of me, but it's still me. But this is showing more of a professional look to my Instagram page than just something that's got a bunch of crazy snapshots on it. Another thing to remember is when you're going to go photograph a concert and you need a media pass or something like that, in most cases the artist, the venue, the management, whoever's issuing the pass needs to have a reason to give you that. Otherwise, if they don't have a reason, then there's a problem. If you show them bad stuff, you're going to get bad things happen, and that can be a very big problem. So always keep it really good. Now, part of the other things about maybe, like anything else, working with your Instagram takes constant maintenance. You constantly have to keep it up to date, keep it fresh, keep your profile clean and neat and to the point, and you have to watch over it. And I look at mine probably at least once a week as far as maintenance, to maybe twice a month, and just to keep it nice and clean. I do the same thing with any of my other media, like my website. I just went through my website yesterday and cleaned off a whole bunch of people that I needed to just recycle everything. And I went checked out my Google Drive so that I have all that organized and everything, and I'm hitting the right places, because when you're busy, in the last month this month I've shot 3 shows. I have 2 more shows this month. In the start of next month, I've got Dallas International Guitar Festival. And then after that, I've got some things in Garland. So when you're doing this, you're busy. And you don't have time to mess with stuff just to mess with it. If you procrastinate and don't do it, it's going to you'll pay for it, because eventually things will start going downhill from there. So keep up to date, keep it clean, and be proud of it. Like I said probably somewhere else in this video, Instagram is a great place to point people to see your professional work, the best work that you have. So don't overpopulate it, keep it clean, not trashy, and most of all, go ahead and have a good time and have fun. If you feel like it, do the right thing. You know, if you like the video, tell me you like it. If you want to follow, subscribe, do that too. We appreciate it. And we'll see you when we see you. If I'm alive and this season doesn't kill me yet, we'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.